Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Can you describe an elephant and make a quiz? Let's do it together. What animal is this? Is it a tiger? No, it isn't. It's not a tiger. Is it a monkey? No, it isn't. It's not a monkey. What animal is this? Is it an elephant? Yes, it is. This is an elephant. Is this animal small? No, it isn't. It's not small. Is this animal fast? No, it isn't. It's not fast. Is this animal big? Yes, it is. Elephant is big. Is this animal slow? Yes, it is. Elephant is slow. What color is it? Is it yellow? No, it isn't. It's not yellow. Is it blue? No, it isn't. It's not blue. What color is this animal? Is it gray or green? Elephant is gray. What can elephant do? Can it fly? No, it can't. Elephant can't fly. Can it jump? No, it can't. Elephant can't jump. What can elephant do? Elephant can walk and stamp its feet. What special body part has elephant got? It's got a special nose, elephant's trunk. Here we go. Can you describe an elephant now? Of course you can. Let's make a quiz. What animal is this? It's not a tiger or a monkey. It's not small. It's not fast. It's not yellow or blue. It can't fly or jump. It has got a very special body part. This is an elephant. It is big and slow. Elephant is gray. Elephant's nose is called trunk. Elephant can walk and stamp its feet. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.